Hey everybody, it's the Lumberjack with Mirage Tactical Furniture. And today I want to describe to you our custom tactical headboard. We want to build every headboard to fit your individual needs. So let's get started. So before I get any hate mail about the finish of this product, what we do is we prime it, we put 2 coats of paint on it, and then we assemble it to make sure that it is all working properly. That way we don't have to have a finish coat, and then, you know, if you're in woodworking or whatever, you'll know what I'm talking about. But we'll put the finish coat on after we disassemble it before we ship it. We ship it, or majority of the time we deliver it. So with this particular headboard, this customer wanted a gun storage in the middle. Now, we don't ever do anything manual in the gun storage in the middle. It's a very heavy section. I could build something, but I make it so much easier with this remote control and the motor that's inside the headboard. It does not take up very much room to where it will impede any of your rifles. Your rifles, you have roughly 69 inches in the middle, left to right, and 48 inches top to bottom. We can make it taller. That's what this customer wanted. We can make it taller. We can give you more room if you want. But pretty much you just hit a button, and as you can see, it comes down fairly quickly. Nice and quiet, real smooth. Goes all the way down, plenty of room. The inside, this customer is going to finish the inside, but we can always work with you to finish the inside. And then all you do is you hit the button, and it goes back up by itself, and it stops by itself. There you have it. That's the middle section. So now I'm on the side of the headboard, and this customer wanted a pistol compartment on this side of the post and on the other side of the post, and it's activated by a fingerprint lock. You reach over, you get the fingerprint lock, it pops open. If you're laying in bed, you reach up, you put your fingerprint on it, it will open within 2 seconds. By the time you get out of bed, you'll be able to get to your firearm. So this is our fast retrieval service of our headboard. We can also make it to where you can put an AR-15 in it or a shotgun, whatever you would like. So we can custom build it to your specifications. Thank you for watching our video about our tactical headboard. If you have any questions, contact us on our website, miragetactical.com.